Okay, so next I'm going to talk about Unit 12, Programming Exercising 1212. This coding is to basically make a calculator um, it, basically to like add numbers from 1 to 5,000. Let's just make this a bit bigger. Okay. This is basically it scans to take the user input. Um, these this whole code is basically building the calculator. Um, so right here, it's the same thing. Just the code is just to make the calculator variables from storing two random integers between 1 to 5,000. Um, it also has the code also has to see if it's correct or not. What is the sum, number 1 and number 2? Basically, the number that gives you um, to see if it's correct. I could also say that it's incorrect as well if you didn't do the calculations right. And if it's a non-integer, it will be blocked, basically executed too. Um, this was a bit more simple than the other programming exercises. Um, and this one, I definitely got everything right. I'll show you right here. I think I got everything right. Yes, I did. And I'm gonna take out my calculator because I can't do math in my head like that at all. Um, let's see. 4381 plus 2571 equals 6,952. And let's see if that's correct. And that's correct. And ask what is the sum of 363 and 862. Oh, I'll do it just to do it, 862. Let's see, 1,225. See if that's correct. That's correct. Okay, and this one I'm going to purposely do it wrong to see if it says incorrect. It should say incorrect. So 5. Let's subtract 581 to subtract 2,071. Gives me negative 1,490. It's incorrect because we're only summing, we're not subtracting anything. So for sure I got this code right. And that's pretty much it for Unit 12, Programming Exercise 1212.